So parallel processing is a technique where we're gonna process a specific audio signal on a different mixer channel. The whole principle of parallel processing is that you have one signal, which could be the bass line or even a hi-hat, which sounds too weak and not rich enough. And we're gonna basically add harmonics by parallel processing it in another channel and adding specific different saturations to it, or maybe, I don't know, maybe we wanna add a reverb and saturate the reverb, and we have those basically the same signal double twice. So as you can see here, let's say we want to, for example, parallel process the bass line. So I have this beat here, what I produced. So what I want to do is I want to parallel process the bass line.